They betrayed you, lied to you, hurt you when you least expected it. The anger builds, the thoughts of revenge creep in. But what if I told you? The coldest, most powerful revenge is no revenge at all. Instead, it's one single move that turns the pain into absolute power. Today we'll unlock the Stoic secret to true revenge, a method so effective it leaves your enemies baffled and you stronger than ever. Revenge is hardwired into human nature. It's primal. Someone wrongs us, and our first thought, make them pay. But the greatest minds in history, especially the Stoics, knew something most don't. Revenge is a trap. It binds you to the past, keeps you focused on the wound, and worst of all, gives the offender power over your emotions. Think of Marcus Aurelius, the most powerful man in the world, as Emperor of Rome. He faced betrayal from his own generals and advisors. He could have crushed them instantly, yet his approach, indifference. He understood that wasting energy on revenge keeps you chained to the past when you should be moving forward. Revenge also distorts your sense of self. When you fixate on punishing someone else, you're no longer focusing on your own growth and fulfillment. Instead, you allow them to shape your actions, emotions, and mindset. That's the ultimate loss of power. The ultimate power move, indifference and growth. So what is the one move that destroys your enemies without lifting a finger? It's thriving. It's moving forward so powerfully that their betrayal becomes irrelevant. Seneca, the great Stoic philosopher, wrote, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." In other words, while they wallow in bitterness and pettiness, you evolve, you rise. You become someone so great, so untouchable, that their actions become meaningless. Imagine this. They expect you to lash out, to seek revenge. Instead, you vanish from their world and build an empire, whether in business, relationships, or personal growth. Nothing haunts a betrayer more than realizing they didn't break you. Consider the psychological impact of this. The human mind craves validation. When someone wrongs you, they often expect a reaction, anger, retaliation, or suffering. When you remove yourself completely and rise above it, they are left questioning their own importance. They no longer hold any significance in your life, and that is the greatest blow you can deliver. So how do you apply this today? Here's the step-by-step Stoic method to turn betrayal into pure power. 1. Silence is power. The moment you stop reacting, you strip them of control. No angry texts, no social media rants, just silence. 2. Reinvest in yourself. Take all that emotional energy and pour it into self-improvement. Hit the gym, level up your skills, start that project. 3. Surround yourself with winners. Cut off toxic people and build a circle that elevates you. Surrounding yourself with those who uplift and inspire you ensures you stay on the right path. 4. Live so well, they become irrelevant. Success isn't just about money. It's about mental peace, confidence, and freedom. When you're truly happy, their betrayal becomes a joke. Imagine them checking up on you, expecting to see you struggle, only to find you thriving beyond anything they imagined. 5. Forgive, but never forget. Forgiveness isn't for them, it's for you. It means releasing the burden, not letting them back in. Holding onto resentment is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. True freedom comes when you move on completely. 6. Control your narrative. Your life story is yours to write. When you choose to let go of vengeance, you regain control over your personal narrative. Who do you want to be? A person consumed by revenge, or a person building an unstoppable future? 7. Embrace the long game. The most satisfying revenge isn't a single moment. It's a lifetime of strength and success. When they look back years from now and see you thriving while they remain stuck, they will feel the true weight of their actions. The true Stoic understands revenge is weakness, growth is power. Your best move is not proving them wrong, it's proving yourself right. It's becoming the person they never thought you could be. Let go, move forward, become the unshakable force that no betrayal can touch. So next time someone wrongs you, remember, the coldest revenge is no revenge at all. It's thriving so completely that their existence becomes insignificant. Now, tell me in the comments, have you ever used this method? What was the result?